Alrighty, so today we're going to keep doing the same thing that we did yesterday, but in an activity. Yay! Okay, so today students will be able to write linear equations in two variables given a table of values, a graph, and a vertical description. So let's go over some vocabulary. Linear function is a straight line. Okay. The linear parent function is y equals x. The x-intercept is where the line crosses through the x-axis. The slope is rise over run, or the differences of y's over the differences of x's. Y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Positive slope, if you read it like a book, it goes up. Negative slope, if you read it like a book, it's going down. Zero slope is straight. Remember, like a heartbeat, it's flat-lined. It's got 0 heartbeats. Undefined slope is straight up and down. Standard form, ax plus by equals c. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Parallel lines have the same slope and never ever touch. Perpendicular lines cross at a 90-degree angle and their slopes are opposite reciprocals. Positive 2 over 1, negative 1 over 2. All right, so your activity today. Okay, you have this sheet, okay? You're going to either glue or tape the sheet on the back to this sheet, okay? Now, I want to make something very clear. Right here where it says equations, okay? You must. This goes in the first box. This goes in the second box. Third and fourth. I'm going to write that on there so that in case you cut them all out, and then you go, oh, I forgot which one goes in the first box. This goes in the first box. This goes in the second box. This goes in the third box. And this goes in the fourth box. It's important to remember so that when you submit it online, you put it in the right place. Okay, so if that's where they go, then you're going to cut out all of these. Okay, you're going to cut them all out. Have them a big pile on your paper or on your desk. Okay, then you're going to glue them into the correct locations. Okay, so equations go in the first column. These are tables, so they go in the table column. These are graphs, so they'll go in the, can you guess? The graph column. And then this is the verbal description. They'll go in the verbal description column. So what you're doing is you're trying to find the table, the graph, and the verbal description over here that matches this equation. Okay, and they should all be in one row. Okay, so you can type this in, you can type this in, whatever way you need to do to find them all. Okay, so you can look at the table to see if this is correct, so on and so forth. Okay, so if you need any help, let me know. This is due by the end of the class period. You need to submit the answers online as well. Okay. So we're also, just for the fun of it, no, forget it. Okay, yeah, you just need to submit this before the end of class today. All right, let me know if you need any help. Also, be sure to pick up all trash by the end of class. Put all supplies away. I don't want anything on the floor. Nothing on the floor. If there's anything on the floor, we will never do something like this again. Ever, ever. Only worksheets, okay? So be sure everything's picked up off the floor, everything's put away, and all trash thrown away.